Hello and welcome to Mechanic Manager. This is just a short video on how to set up the system to get started. Everything is already set up. Once you create an account, it all defaults. For example, if you go to Setup, linked accounts, all your general ledger accounts are already linked. All your sales accounts are linked. So for example, here your receivables go to accounts receivables, customer receipts go to check account 1, etc. We've got payment methods, so these are all payment methods that you can do. For example, MasterCard, cash, check, bank card, etc. You can add more into accounts and the chart of accounts. What's unique about this system is it's got the chart of accounts for online workshop management software system. So you've got your chart of accounts here. You've got all your reports for your general ledger. It's all already everything's pre-set up. Basically, all you've got to do is set up invoice headings. So you put your headings in here. So you go set up invoice headings. You can upload logo if you want. So it's invoice headings and company details. Here, set up company details. Set up company details. Put your company details in here, and away you go. You just go straight to invoicing. Away you go. You just add customers and away you go. So there's really no setup to do except for your invoice headings. Okay, thanks for watching.